In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make the taskbar smaller on Windows 11 or 10. Let's hop into the steps. First, click on the search bar below and search for Registry Editor, then open it. Now open this folder, then click on Software. Now look for the Microsoft folder and then open it. After that, navigate to the Windows folder and open it under the Windows. Click Current Version and then click Explorer. Now open the Advanced folder. When you're in the Advanced folder, go to the right side and right-click on it. Choose New and click on the DWORD 32-bit volume. Now we're gonna name it to TaskbarSi and open that now for the volume data. You can choose to enter 0 volume for a smaller size, 1 for a medium size, and 2 volume for a bigger one. After doing all of that, go ahead and restart your computer and see if the taskbar size has changed. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.